Are you looking for a compact laser welding solution for jewelry production or repair? Look here. This is a jewelry laser welding machine designed for golden and silver jewelry, including rings, chains, pendants, and other delicate metal parts. Microscope and CCD dual wiring, and there is a LED shadowless lighting. The laser spot can be adjustable. This jewelry laser welding machine is suitable for the jewelry factories, repair center, and other distributors. Okay, if you are interested in this jewelry laser welding machine, contact us.